Hello friend, my name is Shivam Shivare and today we will discuss about what is cloud computing. So firstly, I will define what is cloud computing and according to NIST, cloud computing is a model for enabling convenient on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources like as network, server, databases, storage, application, and various services are present in cloud computing that can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort or service provider interaction. This cloud model is composed of five essential characteristics, three service model and four deployment models. So, according to me, cloud computing is the on demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay as you go pricing. Instead of buying, owning, and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can access technology services such as computing power, storage, networks, databases, servers as on needed basis from a cloud provider like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, DigitalOcean, Alibaba Cloud, etc. So there are various kind of companies present in the market with they are delivering the cloud computing services to their customer at very nominal price. And today in this era, we are saying that almost companies will move to the cloud just because to save the time, to save the money, and with the help of cloud computing, uh, it is easy to manage and it is easy to monitor the services, which is very helpful to the companies at that time and in future also. Because of that, in traditional way, we will have to manage the services, we have to manage the server, storage, applications, and services, and so many services which we have to manage. And for that, we have to create an infrastructure on premises basis. But in cloud computing, we will take a services as we want and we subscribe the service which we want and fulfill to our company requirement or as well as individual requirement. So cloud characteristics in cloud computing there are five characteristics in cloud computing like on-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, measured services. So these are the five cloud key characteristics. So on-demand service is what? A consumer can provision computing capabilities such as servers, time and network storage as needed automatically without requiring human interaction with each service provider. So anyone can take the services if they want more uh, services, then they can increase or decrease the services whenever they have required. Like there is a broad network access capabilities are available over the network and access through standard mechanism that promote use by heterogeneous thin or thick client platform like mobile phones, tablets, laptop and workstation also. So third point is about resource pooling. So resource pooling, the provider computing services or resources are pooled to serve multiple consumers using a multi-tenant model with different physical and virtual resources, dynamically assigned and reassigned according to the consumer demand. If the demand is increased, so they can subscribe and they can take more resources to add in his cloud computing services. If the requirement is going to low, then they can decrease the services also. There is a sense of location independence in that customer generally has no control of or knowledge over the exact location of the provided resources, but may be able to specify location at a higher level of abstraction, like as country, state, or data centers. Example of resources include storage, processing, memory, and network bandwidth. 4 point is about rapid elasticity. So rapid elasticity means capabilities can be elastically provisioned and released. In some cases, automatically to scale rapidly outward and inward with demand. To the consumers, the capabilities available for provisioning often appear to be unlimited and can be appropriated in any quantity at any time. Fifth point is about measured service. So measured service is about cloud system automatically control and optimize resources used by leveraging a metering capability at some level or abstraction appropriate of the type, such as services, storage, processing, bandwidth, and active user account. If let's take an example, if there is a company which have 50 employees and they want a services for 50 employees, so they have to pay for only for the 50 users. But in the traditional way, the companies will establish or build an infrastructure for 100 and 1000 employees. But when they are have only 50 employees, so remaining users utilization resources will going B2B based. So these are the drawback in the traditional way. But in cloud computing, it is best to utilize all the resources which you purchase or subscribe in your services or in plan. Cloud characteristics like rapid elasticity, uh, major services, diminished cost, easy access, security, and shareability. Diminished cost, if we take an example in the context of university, so diminished cost is cloud-based administration can help institute decrease cost and the utilization of new innovation to meet developing educational needs. A student can utilize Office application without purchasing, install and stay up with the latest on their PCs. It likewise gives the instructor a pay per use for a few applications. In easy access, lesson arrange labs, grades, notes, and PowerPoint slides. Pretty much anything computerized that you use in training is effectively transferred. And security. So security is the main concern why we will go for the cloud computing and what are the accesses we are getting and what about the security. So in cloud computing there are four deployment model like public, private, hybrid, and community cloud also. In public cloud, user can go and take services. So any of the user from anywhere in the world, they can use the public cloud computing. For companies, they can be used private service or private cloud computing, which is help to be in companies to secure more data. And hybrid cloud is the combination of public and private cloud. And the 4 point is community cloud. So community cloud is basically means that the same intention or same goal of an organization to work on it. So they can be used the community cloud. So for today, we discussed about what is cloud computing and remaining I will give you the lecture in next few days. Thank you so much.